Hello friends, let's start with business and financial market update. Tata Motors on Monday said the voluntary delisting of its American depository shares representing ordinary shares from the New York Stock Exchange will become effective close of trading on January 23, 2023. After Monday, there will be no over-the-counter market trading of the American depository shares ADS in the US due to regulatory restrictions under the Indian law, Tata Motors said in a regulatory filing. The ADS holders can surrender their ADS to the depository in exchange for the underlying ordinary share of the company at any time or on prior to July 24, 2023, it added. Starting on or about July 25, the depository may sell the then remaining ordinary shares held on deposit under the term described in the notice of the termination of ADS facility as provided or in the deposit agreement, it said. The above action has no impact on the current listing status or trading of the company's equity shares on the BSE listing and National Stock Exchange of India Limited in India, it noted. Moving on, India is reportedly going to cut import duty on gold to sideline smugglers who offer discounts. The government is aware of problems created by the high duty structure and they will be fixed soon, Reuters reported, citing a government official. Currently, the import duty, including other taxes, is 18.45%, and the center is reportedly planning to bring it below 12%. Moving on, despite many tailwinds supporting the automobile sector during the 3 months of December quarter 3, India's largest domestic passenger vehicle maker, Maruti Suzuki, may see sequential decline in net profit and revenue due to moderation in sales volume. The company is slated to report its quarter 3 financial year results on Tuesday, January 24. It is today. Robust order book across passenger vehicles, original equipment manufacturers, strong festive-led retails across segments, inventory destocking, and calendar year change. The continued correction in commodity prices were some of the key highlights for the quarter 3 financial year 23. Yet, total volumes at Maruti Suzuki came in at 4.7 lakh units, down 10% quarter on quarter. Therefore, net sales of the quarter are expected at 28,281 crore rupees, down 5.5% quarter on quarter, amid degrowth in volumes and 5% sequential rise in average selling price to 5.8 lakh per unit, ICICI Securities said in an earning preview report. The decline in sales and discounts on some models, analysts said, may be partially offset by richer product mix. Overall revenue is projected to come in the range of 26,482.5 crore to 28,281 crore. Revenue last year was 23,246 crore rupees and 29,931 crore rupees in quarter 2 financial year 23. Moving on, portfolio manager Enam Asset Management Company AMC on Monday launched its maiden vision portfolio with a target to garner $1 billion at close. The maiden offering, Enam India Vision Portfolio, is targeted to the mass affluent segment of investors with a minimum investment of 50 lakh rupees. Enam AMC has been in the market for the past 2 decades and manages assets worth $3.48 billion as of December 2022. It has a team of 15 investment professionals across fund management, research and ESG, its co-founder and chief investment officer, Jiten Doshi said. The company is part of the Enam Group, established in 1984 and was co-founded by Vallabh Bansali, Namish Shah and Jiten Doshi. Moving on, benchmark BSE Sensex rose by 319 points on Monday on gains in IT and financial stocks after positive quarterly results amid supportive global cues. Snapping its 2-day sliding streak, the 30-share BSE barometer rose by 319.9 or 0.53% to close at 60,941.67. The index opened higher and gained more than 400 points to scale the 61,000 level. It touched a high of 61,113.27 and a low of 60,761.88 in the day. The broader NSE Nifty gained 90.90 points or 0.5% to settle at 18,118.55 as 32 of its stock advanced while 18 declined. The index moved between 18,162.6 and 18,063.45 during the day. Among Sensex stocks, Hindustan Unilever rose the most by 1.89%. Sun Pharma, Tata Motors, Infosys, TCS, Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, SBI, Kotak Bank, HDFC Twins, and Nestle were among the major gainers. Moving on, the investment legroom for portfolio investors FPI has inched up further in Kotak Mahindra Bank. During the quarter ended December 2022, the FPI holdings in the private sector lender fell 1 basis points quarter on quarter to 39.26%. The FPI holding has come off from a high of 40.09% in December 2020. The stock will initially be added to the index at an investable weight of 5%. Subject to more than 20% foreign headroom, the investability weight will increase by 5% at subsequent rebalances, analyst Brand of Periscope Analysts said. Moving on, US stock indexes rose on Monday as gains in shares of chipmakers helped ease pressure on the better technology sector at the start of another big week for corporate earnings. Investors are eyeing results from Microsoft Corporation, Tesla, IBM, and Intel this week to see how their businesses are coping up with the threat of economic slowdown triggered by the Federal Reserve aggressive policy tightening. 6 of the 11 major S&P 500 sector indexes were up in early trading with a 1.3% rise in tech stocks, making them the biggest gainers. Qualcomm and Advanced Micro Devices climbed 4.5% and 7% respectively after Barclays upgraded their stock to overweight from equal weight. Western Digital Corporation jumped 6% on a report that the memory chipmaker could merge with Japan's Kioxia holding. Moving on, reminiscent of the past 2 years, the market has made positive strides ahead of the Union Budget 2023-24. The benchmark National Stock Exchange Nifty has gained 1.8% in the last month. Typically, markets tend to gain ahead of the budget as investors build in optimism. The 1-month return of the Nifty in 7 years of the past 10 years has been positive. Before every budget, expectations build up. Market rallies are based on expectations. In January, institutional investors come back after their annual holidays. Most budgets in recent times have disappointed some sections of the market. Moreover, the budget has largely lost its relevance. The scope of radical changes in taxation does not exist anymore, unlikely in 1990s. Many major policy changes are announced outside of the budget. We are living in a post-goods and service tax era, said Amresh, an independent equity analyst. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Financial Pulse for business and financial market updates.